Today Steve will show you how to cook the perfect gourmet roasted rack of lamb. Follow for more. Let's go. In a small bowl, combine the olive oil, minced garlic, rosemary, thyme, lemon zest, salt, and pepper. If using, stir in the Dijon mustard. Mix well. Rub the marinade mixture all over the lamb rack, ensuring it's well coated. Cover and refrigerate for at least 2 hours, preferably overnight, to allow the flavors to meld. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit 200 degrees Celsius. Remove the lamb from the refrigerator and allow it to come to room temperature, about 20 to 30 minutes. In a large oven-proof skillet, heat a tablespoon of olive oil over medium-high heat. Sear the lamb rack, fat side down, for about 2 to 3 minutes until it's golden brown. Turn and sear the other side. Once seared, place the skillet directly into the preheated oven. Roast the lamb in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes for medium rare, or until a meat thermometer inserted into the thickest part of the meat reads 130 degrees Fahrenheit 55 degrees Celsius. Adjust the time if you desire a more rare or well-done roast. Once cooked to your preferred doneness, remove from the oven and let it rest on a cutting board for about 10 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute. After resting, slice the rack between the bones to serve as individual chops. Garnish with additional fresh herbs or a drizzle of reduced balsamic vinegar, if desired. Serving suggestions: a rack of lamb pairs beautifully with roasted vegetables, garlic mashed potatoes, or a simple green salad with a vinaigrette dressing. Full recipe is in the comments. Enjoy your gourmet lamb rib rack. Follow Steve for more AI chef recipes.